Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in my last video, I have mentioned that today's video is going to be an unboxing of what my husband got me for my birthday. And it is a piece of fine jewelry from Chanel. So we've already filmed the unboxing on the day of my actual birthday because I basically wanted to wear the item right away. And he wanted to be there for the unboxing. So he was behind the camera and I basically didn't know how to act with him behind the camera. So you guys have been warned, the video clip is actually really awkward in my opinion. But yeah, anyways, let's jump to a clip of the unboxing and then we'll be right back. So it is a piece of fine jewelry from Chanel. So here it is. So yeah, thank you for the gift once again.
Happy birthday.
And I've already seen what this is, so this isn't news to either of us, right? I must say that their packaging for their jewelry is actually really nice. I was like really surprised when I was watching them box this up. So anyways, which way does it open? Oh, here. Ta-da! I think this is an unboxing for the viewers more than it is for me. So he got me this Coco Crush ring, which is on my middle finger right here. And this is in the beige gold, and it's the mini version, which is the thinnest version of this ring that Chanel offers. And I went for this in a size 51, which according to my sales associate is approximately equivalent to a size 5.5 in US ring sizing. And for rings that I wear on either my middle finger or my index finger, I usually go for a size 5.5. But honestly, I would say that this is probably a little bit small. It runs a little bit small compared to my other size 5.5 rings, but not so small that the size 52 would have fit me better. So I would say that if you live close to a boutique, you should go in and try on the different sizes before committing to a purchase. Because when I was there, I tried on the size 51, 52, as well as the size 50 before I decided on this one. When I was at the boutique, I was honestly kind of swayed to get something else because the boutique lighting, first of all, was awful. It was so yellow in there, almost even orange. The white gold basically looked like this beige gold, and the yellow gold basically looked orange. I was like, this beige gold does not look right at all. And on top of that, because this ring has the kind of quilted detail etched into the metal, I really wanted that to be visible when I was wearing this ring, and under that lighting you could barely tell that there was this quilted detail on this mini version. So I had actually asked them to show me the small version of this ring, which is like twice the width of this one, and I usually don't go for jewelry that is that kind of bulky. So I'm glad I didn't end up buying that one, even though the quilting detail looked way more prominent on that one. But yeah, I was actually very pleasantly surprised when I got home and when I unboxed it and looked at it. And this quilting detail is actually much more stunning in like my home lighting or natural lighting coming through my windows. It actually looks really pretty because you can kind of see the reflection of light through the quilting detail, almost sort of like how Van Cleef & Arpels has the guilloche pieces, and this is kind of like a subdued version of the sparkle and shine you get from the guilloche pieces. So yeah, I think that this is really, really pretty, and I do intend on wearing this as almost like a daily piece. So next I wanted to just compare this beige gold with some other pieces of jewelry in my collection that are in rose gold, because before I purchased this ring, I was trying to do some research of, like comparisons between beige gold and rose gold specifically, and I really couldn't find much out there. So if you have that type of question. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys. So I'm going to show a photo on the screen right now of all my pieces of rose gold jewelry. So on the far left is my Cartier Just Include bracelet, which I've had for approximately 2 years at this point. And I think it's important to mention how long I've had each of these pieces, because I've heard from a lot of different, sources that rose gold does tend to turn more yellow over time. So my Cartier Just Include bracelet I've had for approximately 2 years. And as you can see, it's looking quite yellow in this photo. And that's actually quite accurate to what it looks like in real life. So next is my Dior Rose d'Avance necklace. That's the second thing from the left. And that one I've had for approximately half a year at this point. And that's definitely looking the most rose gold at this point based on what I think of when I think of rose gold. But keep in mind that I've only had that for half a year. So maybe if I've had it for longer, it would change color too. And then next to that is this beige gold Coco Crush ring, which I would say is most similar to the color of the Rose d'Avance necklace, but probably has a little bit more of a white color to it. And then the thing on the far right is my necklace from Tiffany's. And that one I've had for, I want to say probably close to 5 years at this point, if not longer. And that one, even though I've had it for way longer than the Just Include bracelet, and I probably wear it just as often, that one doesn't look quite as yellow as the Just Include bracelet does, but it does look more yellow than the Rose d'Avance necklace does. And for this final comparison, I'm going to compare this ring to a necklace that I have that has white gold, yellow gold, as well as rose gold on it. And as you can see from the photo, this beige gold from Chanel does look the most similar to rose gold. So if you want something in, like Chanel's collection of fine jewelry and you do tend to buy rose gold jewelry, I would say that the beige gold is a good option to go for. So that is it for this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and I hope that the first impressions and the comparison portion of this video was helpful also. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think of this Coco Crush collection? Would you buy fine jewelry from Chanel, or would you stick to brands like Cartier, Van Cleef & Arpels, or Tiffany's for your fine jewelry and just buy accessories from Chanel? And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing for new videos every single week. And I'll leave 2 videos on the screen for you to watch next. So I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.